Skin bleaching is becoming less common in Jamaica. That's according to one local dermatologist. Shamela Pullen explains in this week's edition of the Health Report.
Skin bleaching is when a person uses creams or treatments to make their skin lighter. In Jamaica, many people have done this in the past, but dermatologist Dr. Lorenia Muir-Green says although fewer people are doing it now, it is still happening.
Persons are not aware that the creams that they are using actually having mercury, which is a poison to the body. Now, mercury has been shown to be a bleaching agent. There are other bleaching agents out there, such as the steroid creams, which a lot of the creams that they have on the market do not list that they have them in there. You will just see, something like a lactic acid in there or something like that. But definitely when they come to see us as a dermatologist, you can see the signs of what is happening.
The main concern is the negative impact on the skin.
They can get stretch marks if they use these bleaching creams that have in steroids, and a lot of them do not list these steroids. They usually have high potency steroids like betamethasone or clobetasol, which we usually use for eczema, but they have them there, and what happens is that they come up with this bust-up skin, which is this really large stretch marks, and they're very distressed about it. They can get thinning of the skin and easy bleeding and easy bruising of the skin when they use these products, and it's very frightening for them, especially for when you want to do surgery or some sort of procedure.
Dr. Muir-Green says stopping the practice can be a slow process, but over time people can successfully quit.
A lot of persons come in. I don't necessarily always go into a whole teaching mode about you need to stop this, you need to stop that. You can suggest it's best to stop doing these activities. However, you can encourage them by saying perhaps you might need another substitute, like having like these dark skin or dark spot correctors.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.